Shut the f up.
You ready to play some tennis today?
Go on the other court, man. I don't want to listen to it.
Oh, like I'm just exhaling.
I know what you do. I've been having the sexual stuff after.
No, it's not sexual. It's tennis grunting.
Disturbing those people. Shut the f up.
Yes, Daddy.
Yeah. Go.
Is there any moves you can teach me?
Like this. Fantastic. Eye on the balls, baby. Eye on the balls.
I was looking at your balls.
Women in sports, huh?
No, I said that's what.
Why am I an asshole?
The noise that you're making is absurd and disturbing to all people around, including Nick. So no.
I'm sorry. I'm just exhaling, though.
Bruh.